As you know, Apple's been lagging this quarter as tariff fears hit the stock. But analysts out from Loop Capital with some surprisingly positive commentary this morning, arguing that tariffs could actually help pull forward demand, acting as a bridge to the iPhone 17 launch. Steve Kovach here with more on how investors should be thinking about Apple and demand around tariffs. Morning, Steve.
Hey, good morning, Sarah. Yeah, I'm not totally buying this argument that tariffs are a good thing for Apple. We've seen the reaction in the stock for that. And like you said, Loop is kind of implying here that pulling forward those iPhone 16 shipments ahead of the tariffs this spring gives us that nice setup for the iPhone 17 launch we're expecting this fall. But let me tell you what is new and notable in this report here. Loop is saying they're increasing their expectations for the iPhone Air. Now, this is that super thin model of the iPhone that's rumored to be coming this fall. Loop actually nearly doubled iPhone Air build estimates from 16 million to 33 million by the end of the year. That'd be about 30% of all iPhone 17 models expected to be produced this year. And we're going to be talking a lot about this after Apple whiffed on artificial intelligence here and missed out on a supercycle surge in iPhone sales. The real question is, can Apple make cool smartphones again? We haven't really seen any major design changes since 2020. Super cycle from AI, of course, never happened, but design changes are actually proven to spur super cycles. We have a proven track record here, like in 2014 with the bigger screens on the iPhone 6 to better compete with Samsung devices. Then you go to 2017, the iPhone 10, the anniversary edition with that new design, or 2020 with the iPhone 12, still sticking with that design 5 years later. Now, Loop supply chain checks shows that Apple thinks it might have a hit on its hands with this iPhone Air by ramping up the build so significantly. As for tariffs, though, Loop is expecting price increases for the iPhone 17 lineup. That'll help offset tariff impacts if those tariffs ever materialize. We know those 25% could be coming at the end of June. Carl, I'll send it over to you.
It's going to be an interesting cycle, Steve. Thank you, Steve Kovach.